Today, AJ is making soup joumou, and he is loving the soup. I will put in the description box why the soup joumou is such an important meal for the Haitian community. Okay, AJ, we are gonna make some soup joumou. Can you say soup joumou? Okay, these are some of the stuff that we are gonna be using. Okay?
Okay.
What do you think that is?
Salad.
That's parsley. Pesli. O ka di pesli? Pesli, ok. Sentil. O ka sentil? Ki jan li senti? You smell it? How does it smell? How does it smell? It smell like a salad? No? Yes?
That's a salad.
That's a salad? Let me see. Can you put the pestle down? Okay, that is called a cabbage.
Cabbage?
Chou. O ka di chou?
This is
Pestle. Sound pestle?
cabbage?
Pestle. The pestle? Ok. Ça, c'est un chou. Poignée. Chou.
It's a
Lilou. Ok. Sayo, c'est joumou.
joumou.
This is pumpkin and that's squash.
That's squash.
Yeah, that's squash. That's a squash, and this is a pumpkin.
Probably has vegetables.
Okay, and this is thyme.
Thyme.
You want to touch the thyme here? Touch it. Smell it. How does it smell?
Good.
Good? Does it smell the same as the pestle? Est senti même genre avec pestle? No? No, okay. Ça, c'est turnip. M'pa connais qui j'en dis ça en Creole, but if you know the name of this in Creole, please comment below. Can you say turnip? Yeah. Want to touch the turnip? Turnip. How does a turnip look? What color is the turnip?
Purple.
It's purple.
And white.
And white. Okay. Kisa saye. What's that? Celery? That's celery. And kisa saye. Kisa uponse saye. What do you think it is?
I think it is
Lage?
Lash.
Lage.
The chocolate cake.
Can you say garlic?
Garlic.
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 Sentil. Zonyon.
What's that?
Zonyon. Onion.
Onion. Onion.
Smell the onion. And this is malinga. 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 Nugan de malinga. And last one is, what's this? Carrot. Okay, so right now we are going to clean it and we are going to make some soup. So right now, AJ, look, mommy took off the outside skin of the turnip. You see the turnip with the skin on? Do you see the turnip? Yeah? And how does the turnip look without the skin?
White.
It looks white. You want to touch it? And this is the cabbage. You want to unpeel the cabbage and rip it, please? Can you rip up the cabbage so we can put it in our soup? There you go. Rip your finger up. Can you rip it up? Yeah. There you go. Rip it up, rip it up.
That's a carrot.
Do you think that's carrot? You think that's a carrot? That's the malinga. You see? This is the malinga, and mommy took off the skin of the malinga. You see it? Mommy have to cook it before you eat it, okay? Can you say malinga? How does it feel?
Yeah.
Okay, AJ's still shredding up the cabbage. Go ahead. AJ, you see? That's inside the squash. What do you see? You see the what? You see the seeds? Where's the seeds? Can you touch it? Okay, you want to eat them later? Okay, we're going to cook it and we're going to eat it later, okay? So AJ, you have your Soup Joumou and our homemade bread that we made. How do you like the soup?
Hot.
The soup is hot? How does it taste? It tastes good? Hot, yeah, you gotta blow on it. What do you see in your soup? What do you see?
Spaghetti.
You see spaghetti. Do you see potatoes? Do you see the cabbage? No. Do you see the carrot? Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching.